the accomplice. One of the most important pieces in all of maces and talons, allowing a player to use an opponent's piece for their own ends. You can certainly win without it, but with it, you can attain total victory. Stand down. I don't want to fight.
Yeah, I figured it was you.
I'm impressed. For once, you're thinking a few moves ahead. However, I can't let you take too much credit. A false terror mail is not my most clever ruse, but time was of the essence.
Viggo, what do you want?
It appears Johan and Krogan have decided I am expendable. I was given false information regarding the location of a Dragon Eye lens, and they attempted to drop a mountain on me. Luckily, I managed to escape.
And you expect me to believe this?
Believe it or not, it is the absolute truth. Can you imagine the pain of betrayal, Hiccup?
I can! Ah! What?
I liked your fire sword so much I made my own. With improvements, of course. I only want to talk.
There's nothing to talk about!
Please! If you just... Enough!
What the?
This is pointless. Easy, dragon. Please listen to me, Hiccup. I need your help.